Hi, I'm Tanya.
And I'm Hannah.
And I'm Michael.
And we're going to talk about homeotic Hox genes in Drosophila. Homeotic genes regulate the development of structure in animals and insects, or in this case, Drosophila. Hox genes are essentially segment identity genes. They don't create new segments, they just assign identity to the existing segments. So, in Drosophila, we have three major segments: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. The head has three parasegments, C1 to C3, which fuse together, which is why it's not seen in the image itself. But the head also has the antennas. Then we have the thorax, which is further divided into three parasegments, T1, which has the legs, T2, which has legs and wings, and then T3, which has the halters used for balance and legs. The abdomen is further divided into 8 parasegments. The Hox genes work in an anterior to posterior fashion and are present in a wide variety of vertebrates and invertebrates.
In the genome, there are two clusters of Hox genes, antennapedia and bithorax. The introns present on top here are in an anterior to posterior fashion in the genome and in the embryo, which is what spatial collinearity means. We have the anterior introns on one side, and then they go in order all the way to the posterior. And what also happens is there's a lot of splicing, since there's lots of introns and only 3 mRNAs made: UBX, abda, and abdB. Another notable thing is posterior prevalence. Posterior Hox genes are always going to have precedence over more anterior ones. So abdB will always take precedence over abda, and abda will always have precedence over UBX. Always.
Let's do some examples, shall we? Let's say we create an abda mutant. That means A2, A3, and A4 genes will become A1 genes due to A1 being the most posterior expressed gene. In the case of a UBX and abdB mutant, will T3 and A1 will become T2, A5 through A8 will become A4. In a PCG mutant, all mutants adopt the A8 fate because as PCG's role in wild type is to suppress Hox genes and allow for interior genes to become expressed.
Here is a sample question that you guys can work out on your own. We'll post the answers in the description below, and if you want to check out some sources, that will also be posted in the description. So if you have any questions, please comment on the video.